channel. Thanks for joining me here. We're going to be making this famous Dalgona coffee. It's all over TikTok and Instagram and YouTube as well. But I was just so amazed at how easy it is to make with just 3 ingredients. Granulated coffee, I'm going to use a decaf, some water and some sugar. That's literally it. When I saw it, I thought, hang on.
What is this sorcery?
This is too good to be true. No eggs, because you know usually egg whites are used as an emulsifier, but there are no eggs. You don't need any kind of like thick like dairy cream or anything. It is literally just the coffee, the water and the sugar. I think the idea originates from Pakistan. So it's essentially like an upside down coffee. So you would have the thick frothy coffee on the top rather than having the white frothy milk on the top. So I'm calling it like an upside down coffee. It's a lovely drink to make in the hot summer months. I'm not quite sure how it works with hot water, but you can experiment with that. I'm going to be using some milk, just Oatly milk that I'm going to use, but by all means use cow's milk. I just don't like the taste of cow's milk. It makes me feel sick. But it takes minutes to make. It's so easy and it's really delicious. So let's get making. First of all, I'm going to use this bowl. Try and use a bowl that's quite wide and deep to contain everything and stop any mess. It doesn't matter how you measure out your ingredients. You can use scales or a spoon. I'm going to use a spoon that just came with this here. And you're just going to use equal parts. So equal parts of water, equal parts of coffee, equal parts of sugar. So I've got my sugar jar here. I'm just making for 2. So I'm going to use about 8 level teaspoons of sugar, because I want a lot of froth on top of my coffee. So it's 1, 2, 3. Coffee, I'm just using decaffeinated. Of water. So 8 sugar, 8 coffee, 8 water. And then we're going to get whisking. Start off slowly first because it might get quite splashy. So already the consistency is starting to get a bit thick. We'll keep on whisking. And then that's it. So you can see the consistency here. It's nice and thick and creamy, like a meringue texture. So let's serve this up. So as I said before, you could try this with hot water if you want, but I'm going to use some Oatly milk. And there you have it. Okay, so I'm going to give this a taste. Mix it up. I've probably filled this too high actually. Oh my God, I love it. Essentially, it's just coffee, but it just makes the coffee a bit more interesting. It's a very like impressive drink to bring out if you've got guests or anything like that, or for a lovely hot summer's day. Oh my God, it's so thick, I can't even, I can't even get it through the straw now. If you drink it on its own, the coffee is really strong. If you drink it on its own, without the milk.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Sorry. Are you in the middle of filming?
Yeah.
Right, you told me.
Yeah.
I'm going to do this.
You can try using a matcha powder, a chocolate powder. You know, be experimental. Spread it on your ice cream. That would be nice. Spread it on your cupcakes. You can use it as a cupcake topping. Experiment with icing sugar. Yeah, experiment. That's the joy of cooking and being creative with your food. Anyway, thanks for joining me here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you enjoy making your Dalgona coffee. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment, subscribe. If you want, you know, you can find me at I Am a Negro Egg. And I'll see you around. Enjoy your summer. Bye.
No, no, I don't even care. I don't even care. No, no, I don't even care. I don't even care anymore.